Okay. Okay. She's asking what this is pie. So pie.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Excellencies, this is for all lasting solutions. They do packaging.
So we manufacture for agriculture, for seeds, also feed as well. And this is for the construction industry. Yes. So it's custom made, every kind of plastic for
Do you sell them here? Do we have market here?
No, we don't have a branch here. Our branch is in Harare, but we have also customers coming from the area, from Mozambique. Especially these are planting pockets. And also brick shooting for construction. And also for seeds. These are for seeds.
As plantas, para fazer semente de plantas.
So you can give them these are bin liners.
Eles são plantas
Thank you.
welcome very much.
Okay.
Welcome to the institution. Sciences. We have our Portuguese and English. Yes, we are an institution that is rich in applied sciences. Yes, and our curriculum focus on developing skilled graduates with technological adept